And U.S. country music singer Don Williams, who enjoyed great success with his easygoing singing style, has died at the age of 78 after a short illness. Don Williams forged his own musical identity in the 1970s with a unique and low-key style of country that earned him the nickname the Gentle Giant. Williams had 17 #1 hits before retiring in 2016. His mellow sound influenced a later generation of singers including Joe Nichols and Josh Turner, as well as Keith Urban. Don Williams, an award-winning country singer with love ballads like I Believe in You, was born in Texas and spent the early part of his career in rock, country, and folk groups. A statement from his publicist said he died on Friday after a short illness.